India's official COVID-19 death toll surpassed 300,000 on Monday, making it the third country to cross the grim milestone, and while the devastating second wave of the pandemic has shown signs of easing in India's urban centres, sluggish vaccine deliveries have led to a worrying slowdown in the country's inoculation drive, 9.21 million. That's the total number of vaccine doses that were administered across the country in the week between May 15 and 21 according to the country's official vaccine dashboard. This is a major drop from the peak of the rollout in early April as 24.7 million doses were administered between April 3 and 9. Last week, the Indian government asked all states to declare dangerous fungal infection mucormycosis as an epidemic amid growing reports of the illness affecting hospitalized COVID-19 patients, leading to prolonged morbidity and death. The illness, also referred to as black fungus infection, has been reported in several parts of the country and seems to affect COVID-19 patients under steroid therapy or those with uncontrolled diabetes. The government has asked doctors across the country to cut back on the irrational use of steroids in COVID-19 patients. The national government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has faced immense criticism for appearing to focus more on image management rather than tackling the disaster. The issue came to the fore once again last week when Reuters reported that India's IT ministry had written a letter to major social media platforms requesting them to take down any content that mentions the Indian variant of coronavirus. The letter, which was seen by Forbes, notes, "It has come to our knowledge that a false statement is being circulated online which implies that an Indian variant of coronavirus is spreading across the countries. This is completely false. There is no such variant of COVID-19 scientifically cited as such by the World Health Organization (WHO). WHO has not associated the term Indian variant with the B.1.617 variant of the coronavirus in any of its reports. Since the letter is a request, not an order, the platforms can choose to not comply with it." Median Armour notes that there is no Indian law that allows for such censorship as the phrase Indian variant has been used by several news articles and foreign health officials. Social media users were quick to point out that the Indian government has used the term South African variant and UK variant several times to describe the coronavirus variants that were first reported in those countries. India virus death toll passes 300,000, third highest in world. Associated Press. India asks social media firms to remove reference to Indian variant of coronavirus. Reuters. Full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.